Hello everyone, my name is Miko and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring to you guys another wig review, and I know you guys have been seeing around YouTube and Instagram that the headband wig has kind of came back in style. It's trendy again. I remember when it was like popular in the early 2000s and I would see my mom wear her like little bob headband wig, and I thought it was so cute. So I'm excited that it's kind of back in style. It's like super simple, super minimal, and there's a particular company that I wanted to show you guys, like their headband wig. It's a kinky straight wig, and I'm gonna try to style it a little differently so you guys can kind of see the versatility and like the simplicity of the wig. So yeah, you guys stay tuned, and thank you guys for coming back to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram at me.koh and subscribe. Okay, so this is the company NiaWigs, and this is how the package came. It's kind of wrapped in like plastic. It's really cute packaging, so I'm gonna open it up. So this is the little wig box. It has little polka dots on the side, so cute. Let me see how this opens. Okay, so yeah, it's a slide out situation. Slide this out, and then NiaWigs Discover Beauty. Cute. There's like a little thing. It's like a present box. I don't know if you guys can see. Open it. I really like seeing packaging, and I like to show you guys packaging because packaging really matters. And it's so cute to me. So as soon as I open it up, they give you the option of choosing 2 different sets of headbands. I chose pack 2, so I'm seeing some like leopard print vibes, cheetah print kind of thing going on. So they have 4 in here, 4 different headbands, and the wig is in this package, and this is a headband non-lace wig, which is 22 inches in natural black, and the wig is a kinky straight texture. Okay, so it's looking like it has the Velcro on the back, which to me I think is an update from the early 2000s version. I don't remember the early 2000s having Velcro. I remember it just being like slapped on. And then if you look inside, it has lace in the inside. That's cool because you can part it. It has a little bit of a lace thing going on. Soft, really soft. 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, adjustable straps, and a comb in the back. And then the headband is like this. Kind of goes like that. I'm going to tighten the straps. I have a small head, so I have to pretty much tighten it pretty good. But I'm gonna pop it on my head. Okay. So this is how it's looking. Now, I'm gonna tighten this Velcro, but I don't want the Velcro to stick on the hair in the back. So I'm gonna grab a little pin here, and I'm gonna just get the hair. The hair is really soft, very soft, really pretty actually. I'm gonna get the hair and temporarily clip it up. Just to get it out the way. And then I'm gonna get this Velcro, and the Velcro kind of tightens at the back. So let me try to show you guys how I'm tightening it. Turn around if I can. Okay, I'm gonna grab the Velcro, and I'm going to put this on this side, and then tighten it like so. So I hope that let me see here. Maybe I need to make the Velcro. I think it's fine. Okay, So it's like this. You can see, so it's neatly on there. And I can unpin this so you can really see how the wig is looking. So it helped that I kind of laid my baby hairs. The hair seems to be kind of crinkly from being in the bag. So I wish I would have plugged up my flat iron, but I didn't. I'm gonna brush it and see what happens. It's actually really full and I like that. Because if you guys know me, you know that I like full hair. I don't like hair that's like super low densities. Like, this is pretty full and that's gorgeous to me. This is something I would pop on like every day. So I'm just using my wig brush to brush it. It's brushing out all the kinks, which is perfect. No, this is top-notch quality. Like, this isn't the same headband wig that it was in the early 2000s at all. It's way better. Okay. So, this is how it's looking, just straight. It comes with a black band that attaches, and if you wanted to kind of straighten out the kinks and stuff, you could do that. I don't want to do that. So let me just show you guys how long it is. You can see it's waist length on me. I am 5'5", so it's 22 inches. If you look at the front, it's a pretty good length. So now I'm gonna pop open these headbands and I'm gonna try on each headband, and then I'm gonna show you guys some different ways to style this hair. So the first look I'm gonna do is gonna just be like a normal kind of updo. So this is like I'm headed to the gym, or I'm just going like to the grocery store, or like kind of out in the town with the girls or whatever. And I want to do a high ponytail. And we can kind of just, this hair is like beautiful, y'all. It's so soft. It's really, really pretty. This is like a really good wig. No cap. It's really good. So you want to do a nice ponytail. I'm going to try to tie it as tight as possible because I want it to stay. So this will be the ponytail. Just give you guys kind of a 360 of how it would look. Go the back, even if you wanted to put it up. Hope the back looks bomb. This is the way the back looks. Both sides are cute. So this would fit well with the outfit that I'm currently wearing, like kind of a workout fit type of look. This would be bomb. So you could do a bun, of course. So I'm gonna take the hair and I'm gonna twist it, and a cute little twist. Now if you wanted to, you could keep it as just like a twisted ponytail, like so. But I am gonna twist it into a bun. Like that. Bobby pinning it in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab another one just to make sure it's secure. These are honestly kind of random bobby pins, I'm not gonna lie. So you guys could probably do it better than I am. But this is kind of the bun look that you can do. It's a cute like bun. Look at the back of it. The back looks good. Looks good from the side. And it's kind of just like that like more modest look, like if you're wearing a cute little dress or whatever and you want to just put your hair in a cute little bun with a nice headband. That's adorable. Okay, so for this next look, I'm gonna split the hair in half. I know you guys have seen this one where people are kind of splitting the hair in half and they're doing like a high ponytail, half up, half down kind of look. I kind of put it forward so it's like really up on my head. And do that. So it's like this, bam, and then put it like that. So this is gonna give you the very high 90s type of ponytail look. As you can see, this is it. You can do a side ponytail, but I like it in the middle, kind of really high, really like just flowing. I'm kind of just doing that thing. So yeah, that's this look. This is literally a lazy girl's dream. If you don't really want to do too much, you're not trying to lay any lace, you're not trying to make nothing blend, like you just want to pop something on and go, a headband wig like this or a full wig is like the move, you know what I mean? So this is gonna be a go-to wig for sure. Also, if I'm feeling like a straight vibe, usually I like to go for kinky straight looks because to me it just fits my face better, because it kind of mimics how my natural texture would be if it were straightened, as far as like visually. With, you know, it will still have some kinks in it unless I'm doing like a silk press. But if I just did a regular like straightened hairstyle or a really good blowout, this is how it would look. Here's another style you could do, kind of like a half braid. Super cute. Fluff out the braid a bit. Want it to look a bit more chunky, a bit prettier. We can put some of those like little clips on it to make it look really pretty. So yeah, there's so much that you guys can do, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I am legit kind of in love with this wig and I probably wear it really often. So this wig is from NiaWigs. I'll put all the information in the description box below. You guys let me know what you think of this hair in the comments, please. If you guys do get this wig and you try it out, please send me a picture via Instagram DMs, me.koh, and I would love to see you guys with this hair. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. Please come back next week. I'll have another wig review for you guys, and thank you for coming to my channel.